Hey y'all, this your girl Lakeisha Monique of Sorority Blanks, and I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. Something I've been wanting to have for so long, and I've had it in my shopping cart on Amazon. I don't even know for how many months, and it's sold out, and they brought it back, and it's sold out, and they brought it back. So I left it in the shopping cart. I was gonna purchase it, then I said, let me wait and do some more investigations on it, and then another YouTuber, Nita Fajita, she actually got the same one that I had in my shopping cart. So I like the way, she was able to do her hats. It's a Vevor hat press. So I like the way hers came out. So I just went ahead and purchased it. So stand by for one moment and let me open this box. This is a very, very big box on the outside. And I almost missed having it because I'm sitting here and I got a notification on my phone and it was from the post office and it said insecure place, so they just left a notice. So I had to run all the way downstairs. Well, not run. I took the elevator. And find the postal person so I can get my hot hat press. Oh, Jesus. This is kind of heavy. Give me 1 second. So I found them downstairs, and the lady, she was getting her lunch, I guess, for the day. And I looked at the package and I see my name and address. And there's no way I'm going to carry this up. So she said, "Is this your package?" I said, "Yes, it is." I was like, why didn't you just come upstairs? She said, "Oh, well, this was my first time on this route." I said, "Oh, okay." But I wanted my hat press. So now she had to come all the way back and come upstairs and bring it because I wasn't carrying this box. It's too much. Okay. Just bear with me. Let me put it down on something so I can grab it and pull it out. I hope. Trying to get my hands under it. That didn't work. I don't want to mess nothing up. Okay. Well, all right. As you can see, it's not really big, so that's a good thing. Let me see. So if we measure it, let's just say, let me see, can y'all see that? Okay, so from handle to the back, it's about 19.5 inches in length going across. And let's just say from the bottom to the top is maybe 15 high, going by the knob that you turn for the pressure. So it's really not that big. Oh, I didn't throw that in there. It's not that big, but it's nice. It's very nice. Cord. I'm going to take this tie off. And I can't plug it in over here, unfortunately. I already have other stuff plugged in. But, lift that up. So what I'll probably do with this is put it next to my heat press. Let's see. Can you see the heat press? Oh. Hold on, let me see. I'm trying to turn it around. Nope, that ain't doing anything. I don't know what happened. Okay, so my phone is bugging out. I'm sorry. I can't turn it around. But anyway, my heat press is on the other table. So I'll probably just sit this next to it because there is enough room and it's small enough to sit next to the heat press. And when I do a video of me doing a hat, I will probably just do another video of that. Let me see. Hold on. I'm just getting a hat so I can put one on real quick just to see. This is the hat I did a long time ago with my embroidery machine. And yeah. So you're supposed to put it on, pull it over. You want to make sure, it depends on what you're doing. It came right out the back. Okay. Just make sure that you got it straight on there, on the sides, so it can be nice and tight under. And you'll just straighten it out as you see fit. And then when you're ready, you can add your pressure if you need to with this. This is more pressure. This is the loosen pressure. Just, your panel is over here. But we'll get into all that. And when it's done, make sure that you're holding it and release. And then you'll have your image or whatever you press on there. Like I said, this is just a hat that I just wanted to try and see. But yeah. Seems cool for right now. All right. So thank you everyone for this quick unboxing of my hat press. I have a hat press from Cricut, but it's one that the other ones that you have to hold down. And I really can't do too much holding. So I just wanted to show y'all that real quick. And I will come back with another video at another time when I'm doing the hat. And I can show y'all exactly how it works. So thank you so much. This is Lakeisha Monique of Embroidery Blanks. Y'all can check out my website for some blanks. I'm getting some more blanks in, some new blanks I'm getting in. So y'all might want to check that out, which is embroideryblanks.com. It will be listed in the description along with this Vevor hat press. All right. And if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for coming by and watching the video. Please subscribe to the video. And if you're not new and you've been here and you've been watching my channel and you've been supporting me all this time, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And just continue to support as I continue to support each and every one of you. And we just support each other. All right. So thank you so much. And I will see y'all soon. Bye.